Hey guys, Andrew Wolf here with the Oldfather Group of Compass Real Estate. Today we're here at 241 Mumford Landing in Berlin, Maryland, in the amenity-rich Ocean Pines. The Yacht Club's just a short walk down the street. We've got several pools, parks, walking trails, and we're just miles away from everything Ocean City, Maryland has to offer. Let's take a look. As you enter the home, you're met with a hallway that leads to a beautiful kitchen with luxury floors, countertops, and updated hardware. The kitchen opens up to an open floor plan into the dining room and great room with vaulted ceilings, perfect natural lighting, and a cozy fireplace. Just off the great room, you'll find a serene porch, screened in, and recently restored. The first floor features a primary bedroom with vaulted ceilings and an ensuite bath. As you make your way upstairs, you'll find a bedroom with a walk-in closet, an additional room, a full bath, a bonus room, and a spacious loft. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me today, guys. For more information on this home or others like it, you can reach me at andrew.wolf@theoldfathergroup.com.